prior to startup, we need to make sure that we have water in the totes inside. This is the connection to get water into the two water totes. All right, these are the two water totes that are going to supply water to the boiler system. The connection outside that we just pointed out is going to come in through this PVC pipe to fill both water tanks. One of the other part of the two water tanks is that they're self-leveling, and that you need to make sure that the two valves at the bottom there and over here are both in the open position. All right, now that we have water in the totes, we need to verify the valving to feed water to the boiler system. There is a valve feeding the feed pump into the pump. We have a valve leaving the feed pump going to the boiler. Those both need to be in the on position. Both the blowdown valve should be off, and the drain valve for the tanks should be off. All right, now that we have the feed valves to the boiler set up, we need to verify that the valving on the boiler itself is in the position to run. We need to make sure that the condensate trap is open, that the outlet steam valve is open. Finally, we need to make sure that the output steam valve is in the open position. We're going to open that up until we get a little bit of water flow out of it. Now that we have all the valving set up, we need to start up the generator to provide power to both the feed pump and the boiler. To start up the generator, the key has 4 different positions: stop, run, and you have to hold it in the heat. Watch that the glow plug warms. When the light goes off, we can start generator. Turn on power.